8th class student, exercise 15, quadrilateral, question number 7. Question number 7 is three angles of quadrilateral are equal. Three angles are equal and fourth angle is (120°). Find the equal angle. That is question. We find the equal angle. Three angles are equal. Angle A, B and C. Fourth angle D is equal to 120°. Let the first equal angle of quadrilateral is equal to x degree. Second is x. Third is also x. Fourth is 120°. So write the angle A plus angle B, angle C plus angle D is equal to 360°. A value is x degree plus y value also. Both three angles are equal. 120 is equal to 360°. X plus x is make the 3x plus 120 it is same, 360 it is same. Then 3x equal will be 360° minus 120°. After minus we get the 240°. Then x will be 3 make the divide 3 8 and 0. X value is we find the 80°. All three angle A equal angle B is equal to angle C will be each angle of 80°. Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. 8 is This time is in question number 8, two angle 85 and 75. We let the A and B 75, C and D equal angle. Question number 8 is two angles of a quadrilateral measure is 85 and 75. Other two angles are equal. Find the equal angles. That is question. Let the first equal angle of quadrilateral I mean C is equal to x degree. Second angle also D equal x degree. Write the angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. A value are given 85 degree plus B value are given 75 degree. C value is let x plus D value also x equal 360. After plus x make 2x. 360 degree it is same. 85 plus 75 is 160. 2x equal will be 360 degree minus 160 degree. After minus we get the 200 degree. Then x equal will be 200 upon 2. Divide by 2 is 100. X value is 100 degree. Then angle C equal angle D equal 100 degree. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9. 9 is figure are given in question. That is figure A, B, C and D. Angle D is equal to 60 degree. and C angle is 100 degree. Or given question, AP line is bisector of angle A. Here is P. BP is bisector of angle B. That is given. We find the question number 9. Given it in quadrilateral is ABCD, angle D equal 60 and angle C is equal to 100 degree. And AP is bisector of angle A. BP is bisector angle is B. That is given. To find, we find the to find will be angle APB solution. Solution is AP is bisector angle A, mean angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. When the AP is bisector angle A, angle 1 equal angle 2. As BP is bisector of angle B. Therefore, angle 4 equal angle 3. Bisector divide into equal part. Now in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will 360 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus C value is 100 and D value is 60 is equal to 360 degree. 1 angle 2 equal, we can write the 1/2 angle, both 1 or 2 angle, half of the angle 1/2. 1/2 angle A as 1/2 angle B. angle A plus angle B plus after plus is 160 is equal to 360. A plus B equal 360 minus 160. Angle A plus angle B, we find the 200 degree. Divide by 2. In both sides. Angle 1 by 2 angle A plus 1 by 2 angle B is equal to 1 by 2 into 200. Divide by 200 is 100. We can write the angle 1 upon 2 equal is angle 2. Angle 2 plus angle 1 by 2b equal is, we write the angle 4 is equal to, after divide is 100. Now the in triangle AOB, we find APB, we want to find angle APB. In triangle ABB, angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle APB is equal to, all angle sum of the triangle is 180. Angle 2 plus angle 4 equal is, we write the here 100 degree plus angle APB is equal to 180. After, now the ABP value equal is 180 minus 100 make B minus ABP angle equal is 80 degree. We find the angle APB is equal to 80 degree. Question 9 is complete. Thank you.